Scroll up to the top and select Toolpaths and go to 2D High Speed and select Area. Mastercam wants us to input a new NC name. I'm just going to leave mine as tutorial number 5 as the default and select OK. From here, we need to make sure that the machining region strategy is stay inside and not from outside. And under machining regions, select this icon here. We want to make sure that it is in wireframe, but this time, instead of leaving it as 3D, we need to change the value to C-plane. C-plane chains only the entities that are parallel to the current construction plane and at the same Z depth as the first entity you chain. Ensure that chain is selected as well, and go over here and select this line. From here, select OK in the chaining dialog box, and select OK again. You'll notice that our toolpath type, Area Mill, should be selected. And over on the right hand side is everything that we just currently chained. Go over to Tool and select Tool. From here, we need to select Library Tool and filter our library. Ensure that the flat end mill is the only tool type that is selected, and go over to the right hand side and change the tool diameter from greater than to equal to, and change this value to 0.75 and hit enter on your keyboard. Select OK and grab tool number 294, which is our 3/4 flat end mill, and select OK. From here, insert the comment Area Mill. It is important that you can change your feed rate, plunge rate, and spindle speed at this time if you wish to do so. I'm going to leave the defaults and keep going. Scroll over to cut parameters and change corner rounding from being off to on, and leave the default values. From here, we are going to take off stock on the floors and stock on the walls, and make it 0. Scroll over to the left and select depth cuts, and ensure that it is turned off. Along the left-hand side, select Transitions, and make sure that Entry Helix is turned on, and the radius for this is 0.5. From here, we are going to go on the left-hand side and go over to Linking Parameters. Turn clearance on, and give it a value of 1. Ensure that the retract is absolute 0.25, the feed plane is incremental 0.1, the top of stock is absolute 0, and the depth is incremental 0. The depth is set to incremental 0 because it is relative to the location of the chain geometry which was selected at the bottom of the pocket. I'm going to select OK. From here, I will see my toolpath being generated. I will go to Verify and watch my tool cut my part. When the Verify window appears, select Play. Your part should look as shown. Exit out of the Verify window, scroll over to toggling your toolpath display, and turn it on and then off.